Are you losing leads by not having a one simple tool in your real estate business? Some real estate professionals leave money on the table and they are missing out on important opportunities because they don't have a landing page. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing landing page without hiring an expensive web designer. I'm Shantha. I've been helping real estate professionals grow amazing brands online for over 10 years. If you're returning or new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe link, especially if you like content like this, content that's going to help you grow, save time, and elevate your online presence. You know I'm your girl, and I got you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing landing page using Canva. So let's go ahead and jump right in. If you're a real estate professional and you don't have your own real estate on the web, you are most likely losing out on opportunities. Having a landing page can help you convert more leads. It can help you really get your name out there, and it will transform your business. And there is an easy way to do it. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step, and we're going to open up Canva and go ahead and get your landing page created today. Did you know that Canva offers amazing web design templates? You can just simply go to canva.com/website builder and take a look here. There are so many designs. There are so many templates. I actually have the pro version of Canva, which you really don't need. You can do this with the free version, but the pro version just gives you so many different templates and options. And so as you can see here on this page, I'm at canva.com/website builder. You can develop free one-page website templates. You can collaborate if you have a team and you want your whole team to be a part of the web building process, or maybe you have an assistant. You can use their AI images. You can actually create your own images using their AI tools inside of Canva. What I love about Canva is that you can personalize and really apply your own brand to all of the designs inside of Canva. With their designs, you can actually publish your website to the internet. You can use your own domain, or you can use Canva's free domain. We'll be doing that together today. But I just wanted you to take a look and check out this page. They talk about your domain. If you have any questions about this, you can come here. They're talking about how you can create your website, how you can do it for free. If it's really free, they have so much information about websites. But today we're actually going to be creating a website from scratch. You can, use one of the templates if you'd like, but I have a step-by-step way for you to create your website from scratch so that we can customize it to our liking. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and create our own custom sizing inside of Canva. We're not going to use the template. So let's go into Canva and we're going to go to create a design. We are going to go ahead and choose website. You can also do that here on the website builder page. You can create a Canva website from here, or you can create it by clicking the create a design button and going down to website here. And so we have the first page of our landing page. I want to create a couple more pages on this landing page. So let's go ahead. And what we're going to do is we're going to add 3 more pages. So we're going to add a page here, add a page here, and add a page there. And what we want to do for the first page, I actually want to make this a little smaller. So we're going to grab the bottom of the page and just move it up. And for the last page, we're going to click on the page, and we're as well going to move that up too and make that a little smaller. Okay. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and customize this landing page using your brand colors. And so we're going to click on the color wheel here. And I'm actually going to use some darker colors so that you can actually see the design. I'm going to go ahead and use the color teal for this particular landing page. I think I'm going to use this darker color teal. And then for the background, I'm going to use this lighter teal color. Okay. And just to make sure everything is cohesive and it flows well, I'm going to go ahead and use a darker color teal at the footer or bottom of our website. The next thing that we'll do is go ahead and go into photos, and we can find a neighborhood, a street, a living room, anything that represents your brand. We want to use that particular picture for the first page of our website. So I'm just going to go ahead and search up the word neighborhood. And I like this. I'm going to just go ahead and use this picture for our neighborhood. Okay. And I want to go ahead and click on the transparency and take the transparency down a little bit so that you'll be able to see the fonts that I put on my page. Right. The next page, I'm just going to go ahead and make this one of my brand colors, and we'll come back to this page. So we'll go ahead and click on the second page, and we'll select our brand color for that page. The next thing that you want to do is we actually want to get our contact information at the top of our landing page. I always like to have, of course, your logo, but you want to have social media icons, your phone number, all that good stuff on your landing page, just to make it easier for your prospects and leads to see your contact information. So let's go into Elements, and let's go ahead and type up. We can have our Instagram highlight icon. And we'll just go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. And I think we'll go ahead and use a white for the highlight icon, color white. And let's go ahead and use our LinkedIn highlight icon. So we'll just go ahead and choose the word LinkedIn, and we'll find an icon for that. See if this one will do. Let's go ahead and make this white, and we'll make that our brand color. Okay. And let's use Facebook. You can find a Facebook, Google, TikTok, whatever icon you want to have here. But I'm just going to go ahead and find the Facebook icon. This is a nice one. So we'll go ahead and get this moved over to this area here. So we have some icons. You can make them smaller by grabbing the sides if you want. Make them a little smaller. Okay. And also it's good, of course you want to have your logo. So I'm just going to go ahead into my logo folder, and I'm just going to find a logo that I could quickly access here. So I'm going to go into projects, and I'm just going to go ahead and type up the word logo to see what comes up. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab the logo here. You can make this bigger as well if you want this to take up more space. You can make this bigger too if you want to. All right. If you want to move these icons around, you can group them. You can highlight the entire icon and group them together if you want to. You can move them around however you want. And of course, you want to go ahead and get your phone number here. So we'll go ahead and add a text box and have your phone number. If you want your email, your website, you can get that all here at the header of your website in the menu area. Okay. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to have some bold keywords for a landing page. And so what I want to do is I want to go to ChatGPT, which I'm going to go ahead and open that up now. And I want to tell ChatGPT, give it some information so that it can write a bold keyword for my landing page, a bold statement for my landing page. So here's a prompt you can use. Your role is an expert copywriter. I need bold keywords and a one-sentence statement for my real estate landing page. And tell it the area you serve, the type of clients you work with. Here's an example. I serve sunny San Diego and work with downsizers. And then it will, of course, give you more specific statement for your homepage of your website. Okay. So here is a statement that it gave me. I'm just going to go ahead and prop that here. So we'll go back to our landing page here and we'll use our text. Let's drag the sides. Go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. And then if you want to have this more bold, you can, so that it just, jumps off the screen. We can make this more bold. And then what we'll do is we want to have your face. One of the first things that we want people to see on your landing page is who they're working with. So we're going to go ahead and go to the elements. We're going to find a frame. I suggest a circle frame, or, you can have an oval frame, anything like that. So we're just going to go ahead and grab this circle frame. I want to change this green to our brand color. So we'll go ahead and click on that. We'll click on the frame. We'll go up to the green area. And we'll choose brand color here. And then I have my headshots in a folder here inside of Canva. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my headshot and place it there, drop it there. Okay, so the next thing that you can do on your landing page is you can have several things. You can have a button where people have, reach out for consultations. You can have a video. If you have a YouTube video, you can have that, or you can even have a lead magnet. And I want to create a couple more pages to show you what that would look like. It's really your choice. But this landing page is going to drive people to take certain action on your website. And it's really up to you on what type of action you want people to take. So the next thing that we want to do is if you wanted to embed a video, like maybe you have a listing video, or maybe you do videos on YouTube, you can actually get those videos into Canva on your landing page. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go to my YouTube channel and I'm going to find a video. So here is a video that I think my ideal audience will find valuable. I'm going to go ahead and right click and hit copy link address. And you can just simply right click and that video will populate right here on your landing page, just like that. So you can have it like that. You can add another page, or you can choose to have this in lieu of that page. And I'm just going to go ahead and add another page. I'm going to move that page up one, or you can use one of our lead magnets. So inside of the Real Estate Content Vault, we have lead magnets that you can access. This is the NAR settlement guide. So this is a step-by-step guide. This is really helping your clients understand the new NAR rules. And this could be a great lead magnet for you to have, or resource that you could give on your landing page. So let's go ahead and get this from here onto the landing page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click share. You are going to click anyone with the link can view, and you're going to copy the link. We're going to go back to that landing page. We're going to right click. We're going to paste, and that NAR settlement guide will populate right here. And you can have this guide, like I said, as a resource on your landing page. And again, I love to have my headshot as many places as I possibly can when it comes to the landing page. So we're going to go ahead and you can have another frame. You can have a circle frame, an oval frame if you want. I like this frame. So if you want to just kind of use this frame here, we can do that. And like I said, we're going to just go back into my headshots and we'll use another headshot for that. So that's how you do that. And you can have maybe a button here. So we'll go ahead and type up the word button and go back to elements, button. We're going to change this button to our brand colors that we're using for this website. And what we can do is have on this button text. We're going to hit the text box, add a text, download my guide. a nice call to action button. Make that a little bit bigger. Okay. And what you can do is actually go into Elements and find a mouse click. One that moves is always nice. It'll get people taking action. They can have one that, it's animated if you want to. Up a little bit. Make it a little smaller. There you go. Like that. You want to do it like that. So you've got a guide that someone can download on your website. You now have a video, you have a guide. And I also like to include a call to action link for consultation. So what you can do is use any kind of link, a Calendly link, a link to your website. I'm going to use Calendly for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and head over to Calendly, and I'm going to grab the link. I'm going to copy, and underneath I'm going to have another button. So you're going to go back to your elements. You're going to have a button, and you can go ahead and make this perfectly size and change the color, add text, and sign up for a free consultation. And make the text a little bit bigger so you can see it better. And then what you'll do is you'll just link this. So you'll go to the drop down here, you'll click link, and then you'll just paste that Calendly link there so that when people come to your website, they can go ahead and access that link. I think what I want to do is change the bottom border here to a different color so that you can really see it better. And what you want to do, so you don't have to recreate all of these elements, what you can do is go ahead and you can grab every element by clicking and dragging, and then you can group them all together, and then right click those elements, copy, and then you can paste these elements to the bottom of your website. And what I like to do is just go ahead and ungroup them again so that you can move them around and place them in the position that looks the best for you. And yeah, now you have a nice landing page. So what you can do is go ahead and publish your website. The best thing to do is to go ahead and make sure that your subpath is changed. You want to change that to the name of your website, because it will pull in whatever you've named the landing page. So you can name it landing page, and you can go ahead and click publish website, and you'll have a beautiful website on the internet. So let's take a look to see how this looks. This is how it looks on desktop. Very nice. Very nice. And this is how it looks on mobile. Very nice. All right, so that's it. We have a beautiful landing page. You no longer have to sit on the sidelines, leave your real estate online on the back burner. You can use Canva in order to create a beautiful website for your brand.